What's the meaning of beggar my neighbor? Beggar my neighbor. Beggar my neighbor.
Beggar my neighbor. Beggar my neighbor. Beggar my neighbor is a term used to describe a policy or strategy that benefits one country or individual at the expense of others. This term typically refers to economic policies, such as protectionism, trade barriers, or currency devaluations, which may provide short-term gains but ultimately harm overall global economic growth and stability. The term originated from a card game called Beggar My Neighbor, where players try to win all the cards from their neighbors by causing them to go bankrupt. The use of beggar my neighbor policies can result in retaliation, setting off a spiral of mutually harmful actions, and ultimately everyone loses.